Hey guys, so first I'm going to go ahead and take my bra, any bra that will look good for a bathing suit, like this one, this triangle one, and I'm going to go ahead and trace around it. And I'm going to use this as a pattern, a template for my own bikini, which I'm super excited for. And you're just going to do the same thing, and I promise you it's going to come out just right. Alright, so you want to go ahead and add seam allowance all around for hemming and for your seam when you make it. So now I'm cutting up a pair of panties that I have that I don't really care much for, so that I can go ahead and also use that as a pattern, a little template, so that I can make this right. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did for my bikini top. So you're just going to repeat those steps again for the front and the back of your bikini bottoms. So now I'm starting to cut out my pieces. When I make the straps for my top, all I did was measure the peak of my triangle for my top, and what that is, I take that measurement and then just started off for that long strip that I have. You're gonna see the long strip in a minute. But that's literally all I do. It's simple, it's easy. You see how I have that long strip? What's all the way at the end, at the bottom, is the same length for my top, and that's literally all you do. It was really easy. I thought that it was recording, but it wasn't, so I just wanted to tell you guys that. Alright, so now that I have the bands that'll hold the triangles for my boobs while I'm wearing my bikini top, I'm going to go ahead and measure the strip. I'm just sitting it here and I'm adding seam allowance. I'm just adding room for it so that it's not too short. You know, you gotta add seam allowance, you guys. You rather have more to work with, because once you cut it, you cannot go back, and it's so upsetting. But yeah, just do that and cut it out. Next, we're going to begin sewing. So you want to take your triangles and put them right sides together with the piece that's going to go around you that we just cut out, so that it will hold your boobs up. And you also want to begin sewing your bikini bottoms on the places that I'm indicating. Alright, second to last step, you want to take the strap pieces that you will be needing on your top to tie around your neck. You're going to go ahead and put right sides together to attach it to your bathing suit. And once you have, this is how it should look, and you're going to go ahead and hem that. Alright guys, so this is how it should look when you are done. As you can see, the straps match because I measured it exactly how it is at the top, at the peak, and everything is hemmed down. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys made one just like this. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Love you guys. Can't wait for the next video.